Hello. In today's episode we focus on the frequent defect in Samsung J7 2017. We received a phone in which the digitizer does not work. We have to disassemble the screen from the housing. As you can see, there are signs of corrosion, which means that the phone must have been flooded. Let's check how it looks under the microscope. You can see that one capacitor is dirty. It should be cleaned and best replaced with soldering tweezers. If after this treatment you check that the touch is still not working, then the wine probably lies on the side of the touch IC. We take hot air and desolder the chip. It's best to get a spare part from some broken screen.